This video is only for educational purpose. There are some of the major factors that decide whether to buy or selling an option contract. First, we need to check whether the option premium is overpriced or underpriced. We should know whether the volatility of the market is going to increase or decrease. Any major event or announcement that impact the stock market or stocks. Based on market condition, whether we take affirmative or defensive decision. Always check the expiry time of the contract to decide whether to sell or buy. If you are new to the option investment, try this Angel One Insta Trade platform, which will helpful for us to learn option investment easily and make the investment decision. By watching the live Nifty chart, we can make our decision easily by clicking just a button. Insta Trade platform save the time and make our investment decision quickly. To explore this option platform, just open free Demat account under below link provided.